Welcome to my channel. Okay, so before I go straight into the tutorial, I'm just showing off my bags from TannaCrafts. TannaCrafts actually does everything in African print. So I mean everything: bags, shoes, pillows, earrings, cufflinks, ties, what have you, whatever you want in African print. TannaCrafts should be your plug. She's my plug, and this is one of my favorite bags from her. Yeah. Also, the this bag, this sling bag, you don't want to know how long I've had this bag. Very, very, very durable stuff. And also, this this is one of the strongest bags I've ever had. Very strong, and I must tell you that every material she uses are top notch. You can you can be rest assured that your whatever you're getting from her will last you for 10 years. No jokes. Okay, so we'll just go right straight into today's um, tutorial. So if you have bags like this, or you have a particular shoe that is covered in African prints, or whatever, you're welcome here to learn how to care for them. So let's get your fabric bags and suitcases sparkling. So this is the bag that I'm cleaning today. You need a sponge, a two-faced sponge with a hard face or soft. If you don't have this kind of sponge, it's fine. You can always improvise and use any sponge. You need a bowl of water, and also you need a fabric wash. You need a fabric wash. I advise that you go for gentle fabric wash so that you don't change the color of your prints. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is to soak your sponge in the water and look carefully at at the dirty places you want to concentrate on. It's fine if you want to wash the entire bag, you can, but in situations where you need to carry the bag out in few minutes, you can just concentrate on the dirty part. So you want to put your fabric wash on the hard part of your sponge. Like I said earlier, if you don't have this kind of sponge, it's fine, you can use any sponge, and you just want to wash, 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 wash. And yes, if you're interested in any of TannaCrafts um, item, any African print item, you can always reach out to me, or reach out to TannaCrafts directly. I'll put our our information is actually in my bio, in the description of this video. And yes, you also want to wash the sling of your bag. I'm not afraid to put water on this sling because TannaCrafts material is top notch. It won't turn black, trust me. So after washing everything you want to wash, you want to soak the sponge again in clean water without soap this time around, and just wipe the lather of the soap off your bag or shoe or anything that you're cleaning. After which, you want to use a dry piece of cloth to wipe again. And this is just to make sure that the bag is completely dry before you use. Just wipe off every soap residue and water. As you can see, it came out very, very clean. And this is how I keep my bags clean, my African fabric bags clean. Make sure you wipe thoroughly, because anywhere that you leave wet would get stained easily. So you just want to wipe everything completely dry. And if you don't if you feel that the bag is not dry enough, it's fine for you to allow some breeze on it and put it. You can place it under your fan, your aircon, or just put it outside under the sun for it to dry a bit more. And yeah, you're ready to rock that item. And that's just basically how to get your bag really clean, or any African print stuff clean. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate my comeback viewers. Hey, don't forget to keep that item clean after every use. Thanks for watching.